Hi, it's me Raj. Today I'm going to make a panna cotta. For that, I have ingredients like 1 cup of chicken cream and half cup of milk and 5 or 6 tablespoons of custard sugar, vanilla essence, and I have a gelatin. So first of all, I'm gonna pour the cream in a saucepan and then add milk and then all 5 teaspoons of custard sugar and add bit of vanilla essence and then mix it. So I'm gonna make this warm in a heat, so let's go for a heat. Just make a warm, not a steamer or not a boil. It's already preheated. Yeah, that's it. And the milk is already warm and I'm gonna add the gelatin over here. Yeah, gelatin done and it's still warm. So after this I'm gonna pour in a cup. Yeah, pour in a cup. Yeah, and then I'll keep this one in a fridge just for like 3 to 4 hours and we'll see how it comes. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Now it's come like this. So over here some strawberry, blueberry, and this is the berry compote. I'm gonna put from top. That's it.